Now, let me show you how to solve this type of question in thermodynamics. Now, if you have this type of question, they say calculate the specific volume of a wet at 18 bar, dryness fraction of 0.9. Then it says you should find what the specific enthalpy and what specific internal energy. How are you going to solve this question? Before you solve any question in thermodynamics, please note these things. Are you following now? Note these ones. Then the H is what? The enthalpy. I know that the enthalpy is what? An extensive property. The U is what? The internal energy. The V, this is small v, is what? Specific volume. And the H is what? Specific enthalpy. And this, your small u, is what? Specific internal energy. Okay, now how are you going to solve this question? First, let's start like this. Now they say you should find what? Specific volume. They say you should find this young man, this one, and what? This one. Okay, now you drive your parameters. Now if you are starting with specific internal energy, I know that your specific internal energy is what? Specific internal energy is what? Your U, right? U is equal to what? U sub F, right? Plus X, right? Then U, F, G. How do I know this formula offhand? I know that when I have U, U must be of what? Sub F plus what? X. Okay, now, where X is equal to 0.9. How do I know that X is 0.9? X is what? 0.9 from what? The dryness was fraction. I feel it now. Okay. Next, U. Your U sub F. How do you find your U sub F? Don't forget, let's see what? At 18 bar. I feel it now. At 18 bar. I know that when I'm talking of at 18 bar, I'm talking of what? Pressure, right? Okay, now you go to your steam table. Okay, now let's go to our steam table. You check under 18 bar. Under 18 bar, yes, you see this young man here. Are you following now? Okay, you see U sub F under 18 bar. Which number are you going to get? You will get 18. You get 883, right? Kilogram per kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Yes. When you go to your Western table, you get this young man here. Okay, now check for this one. U F sub G. Now when you check again, you will get 2598, right? Kilojoule per kilogram. Definitely now, what I was thinking. But you know that your X is what? Okay, X, you have written X already. Now, using this formula, U is equal to what? U sub F plus X U F sub G. Okay, now, we know that U is equal to U sub F, right? U sub F is what? 883 plus our X is what? 0.9. 0.9 into, because it's multiplication, into U sub Fg, which is this one, 2598. Okay, now this was normal calculation, right? Now is 883 plus, okay, now let's calculate it. 0.9 times 2598 to give you what? 2338.2. Okay, sum them all. You have what? Plus 883. You have your what? 3221.2 kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Yes. So your U becomes what? Kilojoule per kilogram. You have gotten your what? U, which is what? The specific internal energy. Okay, now you go to the next one, which is what? The next one, which is your specific internal enthalpy. Specific enthalpy is what? Your H. Okay. As your H is equal to what? H sub F plus what? X H F sub what? G at 18 bar. Are you following now? At 18 bar. Okay, now how do I know this formula? This is H sub F. In U, we put what? U sub F, right? Plus, this is the plus. X, this is the X. U. Now, since we are dealing with H, which is for the specific enthalpy, we are not using U again, we are using what? H. Are you following now? Okay. At 18 bar. Now, you know that your H sub F is equal to what? Now you go to your table again and check. Go to your table and check. You have 885 kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Okay. Check for what? H sub what? Mg. H sub what? Mg. You have what? You have 19.2 kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Okay, don't forget all at what? 18 bar. Okay, but you know that your x is equal to what? 0.9 from what? This number, right? Okay, now, since I'm using this formula, h is equal to what? F sub h sub f plus x h sub what? Mg, right? You know that your h sub f is what? 885 plus x is what? 0.9 into, because it's multiplication, okay, into h sub mg. H sub mg is what? 1912, right? Okay, when you do the mathematics, you have what? 885 plus this one and this one, you have 0.9 times 1912. You have what? 1720.8. And when you sum it all, you have 885. You have what? 2605.8 kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Okay, this for what? My H. My H, which is what? Specific enthalpy. Specific enthalpy, which is this one. I'm noting this one. Now I'm bringing my specific volume, right? Specific volume. I know that is what? Okay, now the specific volume. Specific volume, which is this one now I'm going to find. You see that small v, right, is equal to what? Small v sub f. Don't forget. So what? F. Because it was what? H sub f. Coming to this one, I'm using what? V sub what? F. So plus x, right? Then V sub what? F G at what? 18 bar. At 18 bar. Okay. Now, we'll say that when you compare V sub F is equal to what? 0. Don't worry, I'm coming. Okay. Then V sub Fg is equal to what? Check the resting table. You have what? 0.1104, right? Kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Okay, now you'll be tempted to ask, why is it that F V sub F is equal to 0? It's equal to 0 because compared to what? This one, when you approximate this one, when you check the wasting table, you will see that what is 0.5 something like that. But compared to this one, is what? Smaller. So you just approximate it to what? 0. I know that your x is equal to what? 0.9 from equation, right? Okay, now apply this formula. Small v is equal to what? V sub f plus x v sub what? mg, right? This one is 0, right? Plus x is 0.9 into this young one, right? 0.1104. Okay. Now, this one means 0, right? So this one times this one, you have what? 0.9 times 0.1104. Right? You have what? 0.099336. What's the unit? Kilojoule per what? Kilogram. Now, this is your what? Specific volume, right? So let's just say that for you to solve all these questions, you must, the first thing you're supposed to know or to be conscious is to what? Conscious of these guys. Okay, be conscious of these guys. And this was just the what? Solving. Now, coming to the diagram, you know that it has a diagram, right? It has a diagram, something like this. But then in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to construct what? The diagram. Right for you now. Please, you can do it by encouraging me by what? Subscribing to this channel. Please do it to like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you guys for watching.